Hello and welcome to The Foodie. As Kolkata prepares for Durga Puja, The Foodie is in Kolkata to do exactly that. Prepare and celebrate for the great festival of Durga Puja. Come along. Durga Puja is here and so is the fanfare, the preparation, community gatherings and of course the elaborate courses of delicious and authentic Bengali delicacies. In Kolkata, or City of Joy as it is fondly called, one can witness a colourful palette of cultures and traditions as the idols get readied in beautiful avatars and a series of pujas kick off the much celebrated festival. The celebrations and the food in Kolkata during the festival is something one should never miss. So here we are and here we go. I'm in one of the oldest parts of Calcutta. It's called Kumartuli. Apparently, it's even older than Rabindranath Tagore. And as you walk down these streets, you will discover that there is so much of activity going on about Durga Puja. There are idols being made everywhere. There are decorations being made everywhere. It's actually a burst of color and sparkle and great fun. Come, let's explore Kumartuli. I've just started my walk down the lanes of Kumartuli and look at this. Everywhere you go, you see idols being prepared for Durga Puja. These are in the process of being made. They yet have to be painted and clad with clothes. But let's go ahead and see what else there is. You can see that the craftsmanship over here is quite exquisite. They've actually used sort of real sort of hair over here, intricately designed beads and shiny mirrors and all kind of things. Looks quite nice. Actually, this one looks the best. Isn't that beautiful? आप ये जो पूरा करते हैं हाथ से पेंटिंग होता है पूरा
हाथ से पेंटिंग
आँख लास्ट में करते हैं ना आप
आँख लास्ट में
the painting of the eyes is a very specific task. Everybody, all the painters don't do it. There's only one artist who will come and paint all the eyes of the Durga. All the idols being made, it's time for all the idols to go and get installed where they belong, in the pandal of Durga Puja. This one's going home. The preparation of Durga Puja is obviously very exciting, but now let's head to a pandal and see the preparation of what we are all here for, the food. Okay, it's time to find out what's happening on the Pandal front, a very important aspect of Durga Puja. And for that, I've come to Bidhan Nagar, block CKCL at Salt Lake City in Kolkata. And behind me is the most unique Pandal. What is unique about it? This whole structure that you see is made out of steel mesh. You don't believe me? Let's go closer. Okay, so here are the men who are behind this Pandal. We've got Mr. Banerjee, sir. How are you?
Fine.
Yeah?
Fine, sir.
Mr. Majumdar?
Yes, fine, sir.
And Mr. Shah. How are you, sir? This is spectacular. Huh? When I saw it from a distance when I walked in, I thought it was made out of concrete or something. only when we come closer do you realize that this whole thing is made out of steel mesh. What is the whole concept of the pandal now?
Inside the pandal, Lohen, you will take a look. You will get the entire Raman, the story of Raman is there.
I also see that at the back there is some major cooking going on. Can we go up and see what is cooking over there?
Yes, it is there.
Come on,
There.
let's go. Okay, the wonderful ladies of CKCL are cooking up a feast over here. This is the khichdi, which is the main thing. And लेकिन खिचड़ी से पहले मैं आपको एक कहना चाहता हूँ, ये आप जो साड़ी पहने हुए दोनों, it is very pretty, बहुत beautiful है ये. इसको क्या कहते हैं? ये अलग ही स्टाइल की है ना साड़ी?
ये ढाकाई जामदानी है.
Dhakai Jamdani. The food that is prepared for the bhog for Durga Puja is supposed to be very, very pure and has to be done with the utmost of reverence and with care. Ah, इसकी तो खुशबू बहुत अच्छी आ रही है. अभी और भी कुछ हो रहा है इधर उधर. The brinjal is being cut in this particular fashion, which includes the stem. Yeah.
बंगाली फैशन.
Bengali fashion, huh? Includes the stem and भाई इसका क्या करेंगे?
इसको फ्राई करेंगे. बोड़ी
बोड़ी.
दाल से बनाना.
अच्छा, so there are pellets made out of dal. Crisp. Okay, so the khichdi is done. The 5 vegetables are being fried over here, but there's a lot more food over there. Let's find out what's happening over there. Okay, now this looks like some sort of mixed vegetable. I think the only way we're going to find out what it is if I ask. So इसको क्या कहते हैं? Labda. So this is a dish that is made specially for this kind of occasion. ऐसा occasion पे ही बनाते हैं इसको?
नहीं, वो खिचड़ी के साथ बनता ही है. ये कंपलसरी है.
अच्छा, खिचड़ी बनेगा तो ये बनेगा ही. Two more Bengali words I cannot forget. They're delicious words, luchi and paesh. Yeah? And they're going to form part of the meal that I'm going to taste right now. So the vegetables are ready and there are a couple of other surprises happening over there. But I'm going to head there and taste all this wonderful, authentic Bengali food. Come on. Oh my God, this looks rather nice. This looks quite delicious. It's all laid out beautifully on this earthen plate and with the banana leaf on it. And let me just quickly go through what's on this plate. Of course, there's the khichdi over here, which we saw being made. This is the chena. The chena is like the rasgulla without the sweet. It's made out of milk, curd, but it's not exactly paneer. This is the labda, which we saw being made. This is the cauliflower and potato tarkari. This is beguni, which is fried brinjal. This is aloo bhaja, which I love, and bhindi bhaja. And of course, there's a pineapple chutney over here, and these puris over here are called luchis. They are made specifically on Ashtami because on that day you cannot eat rice. So this is fine. Today I can eat everything, so I'm going to start with the khichdi. It's got this superb tempering. It's got superb masala in it. It's got chili. It's got spicy. It's got masala, and it's a full meal actually. Now, as they told me over there, when you make the khichdi, this mixed vegetable also is compulsory. So I'm going to try it with the khichdi because I think that's a good way to try it. It's cooked perfectly and it's spiced perfectly. And of course, food that is made for the gods is always nice. Fried ladyfinger. Potato. Little crunchy podis that come in. Beguni. It's nice and soft and squishy. I think this is the father of the Bengan ka bharta. But you know, Bengal is known for its sweets, and no good Bengali meal is complete without some good rasagullas and some good payesh. 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 Just sounds really good, you know. This is the Bengali version of kheer. And it's delicious. How can we come to Bengal, come to Calcutta, and not have the famous rasgulla? And of course, over here, the rasgulla has been served in Misti Doi. See? Shall I finish the payesh first or shall I finish this first? Payesh or rasgulla? Rasgulla or payesh? I can't decide. I'm going to have both. Come on, let's go.